When using our app to check out maintenance costs for a particular model, follow these steps to customize your report. First, click and open Lifespan Settings. Then set the starting point of the lifespan. If you're eyeing a pre-owned model, set the starting lifespan to match its odometer reading. For a brand new model, leave this at 0. Then, set the end of the lifespan. Determine how far into the future you want to calculate maintenance costs. If uncertain, set it to the maximum value. Now, for the annual travel. Input the distance you plan to travel per year. This affects when the maintenance plan will expire, especially if it's a standard feature for the model. You can also activate or deactivate the maintenance plan if this is what you require. Lastly, set the annual inflation percentage you wish to consider. Parts and labor prices can fluctuate over time, so this adjustment helps to plan for future costs. Now, go ahead and click on Lifespan Settings again to close. These parameters are now included in the report below. Neatly displayed in the table is the maintenance cost for each interval. You can click on an interval to see a breakdown of all the items contributing to the total. In the bar chart, you can easily visualize the cost of each maintenance interval, and the line chart indicates the accumulative cost over the set lifespan. You might ask, how accurate is this information? Below the line chart you will see details on the data source, price type, and last update date. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the total cost of maintenance within your specified parameters. Swipe the value left or right to switch to a cost per kilometer. I know this is a lot to absorb, so remember to check in periodically for price updates and adjustments.